Hi, my name's Melissa. I'm a service learner at CSUMB for the Monterey County Free Libraries program. Today I'm going to show you how to make bird feeders out of pine cones. So let's get started. The supplies you'll need to make this bird feeder are going to be bird seeds, peanut butter, a pine cone, and I'm using a popsicle stick to spread my peanut butter on the pine cone. You can use like a spoon or any cutlery like that. And then I'm using a paper plate to catch any of the mess and a piece of string to tie up the pine cone. The first thing I did is just went ahead and tie the string around the pine cone just to make it a little easier. And then I'm gonna make a big loop so that it has something to hold on to whenever you go to hang this up outside. And I'm just gonna make a double knot at the top. There, and now it'll be able to hang easily. And now we're just going to take the peanut butter and just spread it all over the pine cone for the seeds to stick to. And now that we have our pine cone coated, I'm just going to go ahead and take the bird seed and just go ahead and dump it onto it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you had fun creating this bird feeder with me.